Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you two platforms on how to make money. Genuine platform on how to make money. But before I proceed on, I will advise you to watch this video to the end. If you are new to my channel, my name is Olorunwa. I make video online on how to make money, a freelancer, video editor, photo editing, and as well as graphic designer. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so in order to be updated in my next video. Back to tutorial now. I told you I will show you two platforms. The first platform here, let's move down to the first platform here. Okay. Now, the first platform is this one. If you've seen it, that is the site is www.upload. That is the site now, www.upload.io. So if you don't have that, you can go to Google and search for this site. Now, as you can see here, I have the accounts with them already, but now I will try to sign up as a new user. I want to explain something for better understanding. Now let me move to this area. Okay, first thing here is to sign up for the registration. You can see here, as a new user, you will write your username, your email address. Do you see all what I'm saying here? The username, email address, password. You have to retype your password again, and then the payment proof here, the payment proof. So what I mean by payment proof here is that you come down to this area, you come down to this place and you select the payments, which type of payment, where do you want them to be paying you, as long as you are uploading your picture every time, and when people are uploading it or people are downloading it or clicking on your picture, or so that this site will be able to pay you directly to that account. So we have PayPal, we have Payer, we have web money, we have Bitcoin, we have Pioneer. So but I will advise you to select is either PayPal, Payer, or web money, because this PayPal, Payer, web money, as long as you have $3, you can be able to withdraw. They will just send the money to your PayPal account or Payer or web money. But the Bitcoin or Pioneer, if you are not up to $200 or $100, you won't be able to withdraw the money. So that is what I want to say here. Now I want to log into my main account to allow you to understand what I mean here. Okay, so let me log in now. All right, so let me write my password. That is my username 122, and then the username now. Okay, so I have logged in now to this site. The first thing here to do is to, to come to this area. As you log in, the first thing to do is to come and upload the picture. So as you can see that side, that is where you will go. Upload picture, you just click on it. So by the time you click on it, it will take you to this area, and this is where it will take you to. And then I believe you will have some file that you have been uploaded, where you can get original file, the file that you can use. So I will let you understand the second side that you will go, that is Pixabay. Pixabay is the second site you will go to get appropriate picture or video or music you will like to upload to this area. So let me go back to Pixabay. Okay. All right, this is the pizza bay now. As you can see the pizza bay here. So just click on it and you can move to this edge. You have the, so all this area now, this is what you can upload. From media, we have photo, illustration, vector, video, music, sound effects, editor choice, created collection, popular image, popular video, popular search. Under community, we have blog, forum, artist, camera, about. All this one is what you will be able to use. But for instance, now you just have to select the area of a concentration whereby the one that you would like to be uploading to that forum. Now, for me, I will choose popular image. Let me just choose popular image for this tutorial. As you can see this fine cloud here, so I want to let me download this page now. As you can see here, free download. So you just have to come and click this area. Do you see that? So that is where you will click, and then you'll be able to download it directly to your phone. As you can see it here now, so I have already downloaded. So I want to check out that I'm not a robot. So motorcycle, we have motorcycle here. Okay, verify. All right, now you'll be able to download it now. So success, as you can see, it's already downloaded. So this is already downloaded now. So it's now you can download it's unlimited. The downloading is unlimited, and then you can upload as much as you want to that site. So but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just downloading one so that to show you, and then I'm moving back to the site now. Okay, you can see this is where I left you before. So I told you that this is where it will take you to, and then you just have to click this area. This is where you will click now. By the time you click this place, it will take you back to your phone, the one you downloaded. As you can see, images on your phone now. So this is what I downloaded that time, and then you can see that I said as you select. So I've already selected, and it asked me to add more file. I told you you can download as many as possible, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just downloading one now, and then I will have to come down to this area to start downloading now. So let me start download this one. Okay, nice one. As you can see, the download is what successful. Do you see that now? Well done, your file are successfully uploaded. So that is it. That is it. The file is already uploaded, and many people see this, click on it, download it. That is how you will be what generating your money, and then they will be paying you, they will be calculating your money. As long as you people are clicking it, are uploading the picture in this site, so they will have to be giving you your own share there. So as long as that, so that is it. It's very simple, very simple. You can be just be sleeping, wake up, download it, and it will fetch you additional income. This one is not is very real. For you to be assured, I will show you some proof, payment proof here. Let me show you some payment proof here now for you to see here. So let me go to payment proof. Okay, let me just log out now in order to show you the payment proof. Okay, now you can see the payment proof area. Let me go to that payment proof. Okay, now you can see as at 14 of 18 this 2022, that is April 18, all these people are the one they pay for this one through web money, $5.22. Also this one now pay $3.03 web money also paid this one. All this one is the account. I know I show you the platform, the payment platform you have to choose. I told you whether you choose web money, payer, web money, or payer. So you can see all this little money, $5, $3, you'll be able to get it, right? And you can see $23 also paper. But if you choose the other one, Bitcoin, and then the Pioneer, you have to reach $200 as well as $100 before you can withdraw the money. So all these one are the payment pro for the month of April. You can see now that this site is real, so you don't need to stress yourself, and this is a real platform. So ladies and gentlemen, if you find this tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and please comment whatever you don't understand. Just WhatsApp me, I will lead you to the success. Thank you very much.